Stop. Sit.
We were very interested in exploring the opportunity to integrate medical improv techniques as part of our physician communication curriculum.
Now let's do the same thing, except this time with our eyes open.
Dr. Fu is one of the national pioneers and experts in applied medical improv and using this as a modality for medical education.
Improvisation just teaches you that adaptability, that curiosity, and that resourcefulness to look inside yourself and with your patient to find out what's really happening now, in this moment, in this room. What can we build together?
This was completely different than what I expected. It was truly just improvisation exercises, but they were all so relatable to medicine. And in a lot of ways, our interactions with patients, it is improv. We don't know what they're going to say. We don't know what a family member is going to say, or maybe even one of our team members. So it was great kind of going through the exercises and practicing.
I hope that it'll be beneficial for the medical students, both for their ability to do their work as providing care for their patients, as well as their ability to be well within themselves.
We are building that skill under the skill for our students. They will be well equipped when they complete our education here in a million ways.